In this video, we'll see how to hide and unhide columns or multiple columns at the same time. So let us see that. Now I've created a sheet named as hide and unhide columns, and I've written some data at this place. Now if I want to hide the columns in the Excel itself, what we do is usually we just right click on the column heading and we click on this hide button, or else if you want to unhide, you can just right click and say as unhide the column. But suppose if I want to do the same thing with the help of this Excel VBA macros, how do I do that? You can see here, I'll go to this developer tab, click on this Visual Basic, and these are all the sheets in the macro part, okay, in the VBA. So I'll minimize all the sheets, that these are different objects. Now in the modules part, I've created one module named as hide and unhide columns. In that I've written some macro part. Let us try to understand, if I want to hide only one column, what is the method? So I can just write as range a is to a dot columns dot hidden, okay, equal to true. So what will happen is this column, which is a is to a, that is one column, in that column it will be hidden part, so it will not be visible. Same way, if I want to see that back again, so I can see as range a is to a columns dot hidden equal to false, then that column will be visible again. This was just for one column. If you want for multiple columns, you can use this option as range b is to d, okay, from b column to d column, all the columns will be hidden. That property I have set as value as true, okay. And if I want to unhide that, I can say as hidden equal to false. That's the only method. Let us see, if I execute that step by step, what will I get is, if I execute that, if I press into this step into part, now a is to a column will be hidden. If you observe, that's a column. If I say step into, okay, and if you observe, that's a column which is hidden. Now it is b, c and d. Same way, if I want to bring it back, that is hidden equal to false, I'll click on this step into and the column came back. Similarly, if I want more than one column, that is b, c and d, three columns, I can say b is to d, that is columns dot hidden dot equal to true. I'll just click on step into. Now if you observe, from a column directly b, c, d has been gone away and e, f, g column has been visible. Again, if I click on this step into, you see the columns will be visible again, that is b, c and d again. And finally, I'll just come out of the sub procedure and this is done, right? So I'll just click outside this place. So I hope you're able to understand how do you hide and unhide the different columns into your Excel sheet. That's all for this video.